As we're trying to dismantle systems of oppression, one of the things that I'm regularly trying to often get people to embrace is that while we're thinking about diversity, there are diverse perspectives and approaches to dismantling systems of oppression as well. We have to figure out ways to work together, knowing that not everyone is going to do things the same way. Now, I know that intellectually we know this, but difference hurts. Diversity is challenging. It is far easier to get things done when we all think about it the same way, when we all want to approach this dismantling the same way. But what is necessary is that we embrace this idea of unity, not uniformity, so that we can ultimately find a way forward.